Today we have a couple of airdrop updates for you to know and to go and earn in case you didn't do it as of right now. So we jump straight onto the laptop, and the first thing that we want to talk about is a favor that I'm asking you. If you wish to support me for a community challenge airdrop, I have a pinned tweet over here on my Twitter, the first link of the description. If you could, would be amazing if you can go and retweet this tweet, like, tag your friends, bookmark it, and let's try to get the views out there as much as possible. And what are we talking about here? Well, we're talking about a community project airdrop, which I will be giving part of it away, as it is basically a referral program. Just you don't need to sign up. You simply need to retweet my tweet. So thanks to you, if I'm able to earn it, is the Pac Moon airdrop. I will be giving away part of it to free members of my Patreon, as well as paid member to my Patreon. The link is down below if you wish to join. And absolutely free. All I ask you, if you could support me with a retweet and a like, would be absolutely amazing, and part of it will be given out to you, as it is the more views we get, the more airdrop we get, and if we do so, you get rewarded as well if the community, my Crypto with Lorenzo community, gets rewarded. So thank you very much. Next up, we look at the Toro Airdrop, which we did go and cover recently. And I did have some community members over on my Telegram, which they were saying that they didn't receive it or they were not giving out the rewards. Well, we have a little update. It looks like the Toro Airdrop is being distributed, or at least some users got it. If you received it, let me know down in the comments below. And you can see it in your Osmo wallet over on your Kepler wallet. So very, very important. You can find it on the asset page, which is the app.osmosis.zone/assets, or in your Kepler wallet. There may be a liquidity pool on Osmosis Zone already, but if you don't know its official liquidity pool, so do not risk it. We got the reality check that it is a meme airdrop. Do not FOMO in, do not go and buy more. If you have it, sell it, do your own due diligence. The eligibility was to stake TIA and to stake STIA for two of them, 2 TIA, 2 STIA, 2 mil TIA. It was taken for Celeste on December 13, 2023. So if by then you have it, simply go to your Kepler wallet over here, log into your Kepler wallet, a little bit of a simple step to do. You can go to your Osmosis, which simply go Osmo like this, Cosmos, Atom, whichever you want, the Osmosis on Kujura, and simply check it on the over here on the Osmos. You can simply check the possibility of your chain, of your wallet, of this Toro wallet over here, which I don't think it appears right here. Yeah, you need to go through the Osmosis protocol. Next up, just a reminder that the Avail airdrop, if you didn't receive it, there is a link down below for you to go and have a complaint such as this one. And you simply fill up the form and say, hey, I had, ZK transaction, I had Arbitrum transaction, I had Optimism transaction, I posted on Twitter, I got this much attention, I got this many views. So if you did it, make sure to go and complete it. If you think that you should have received the airdrop, but you didn't receive the airdrop, make sure to go and complete this form, which is very, very important. Next up, we're looking at a Prism airdrop. Now, listen closely, it's not to confuse with the Prism airdrop, which we did go and see recently. Very, very important. This one is for TIA and Dimension stakers are included. So if you are a TIA staker, if you are a Dimension staker, you are included. The Prism network over here is the R1. As we see, this is their Twitter page, their official Twitter page, and it is different from the Prism network with the Z. We have the Prism with the S and the Prism with the Z. They are two different things, so make sure that you are aware of it. And the team is back, their team is back, and it looks like the NFTs communities from the following chains may be included: from the Flix, Stars, Injective, and SCRT. And the project is not named yet, but the team also teased the possibility of including DYM pool as a possible criteria. This one is the source from which the tweet comes from. We have chosen the first NFT community to be included in the Prism airdrop. The announcement will be coming soon. We got the tweet. Now, as we said over here, it is not the Prism airdrop, which we did cover a few weeks ago, and it is not affiliated, as we see over here, or related to the Prism Zone airdrop, which is a specific other. But if you are a Dimension staker, if you are a TIA stakers, you have the possibility to go and earn this airdrop. I will leave all the links down below if you are interested, but this is a decentralized layer 0 blockchain building the future of innovation and collaboration. We can go and check out a little bit of the people that go and follow them, all crypto related people, and some protocols as well. So if you want to go and know more about it, make sure to check, also do your due diligence research, know what you're looking into, but just remember, this one is a completely different airdrop to what the Prism with the Z airdrop is. Let's go and look at something interesting here, actually from the Prism Zone official airdrop, the one with the Z. And they say that you need to go and register for the airdrop. You need to submit your wallet to register for the airdrop, which basically means that if you have delegated your token to a Prism validator on the Kepler wallet, whether it's SIA, Atom, Celestia, whatever, you now need to go and register. And how do you do it? Well, the link is down below, of course, in the description, and you will be redirected over here. You go and put the register wallet that you want. I, for example, have the Celestia wallet, and I do delegate my Celestia token to the Prism validators on Kepler to earn this airdrop. We click on Celestia, or you click on any other you want. You select the wallet. I got Kepler in this case. This is my Celestia wallet. You click on verify. I am eligible. We click on moving forward, and we enter the Prism address. If this one wouldn't be there, it's either filled with the Kepler wallet app, so you can do it directly from them, or simply manually put it. We go and sign and register, and we're gonna sign this transaction on the Kepler wallet. And that is all you have to do, because we did do it, and I will take you a further video further down the line on how to go and actually, earn it. If you've missed the videos from 2-3 weeks ago, I got a few new people on the channel. I will take you an in-depth video either tomorrow or the next day. But you need to go and do the delegation of your token from the Celestia validator or whichever validator to the Prism validator. After that, you do now need to come over here to this page, and you need to connect your wallet. Once you've done it, congratulations, your wallets are now linked. Keep an eye out on the Prisms. Talking about another airdrop that I do want to let you know, Debridge, if you didn't follow up with the previous video that we talked about, is going to have Arbitrum token rewards. What does this mean? Well, there's a few possibilities and a few speculation as of right now. They haven't released an official statement yet. They did release that there's going to be $1 million in Arbitrum incentivized coming to Debridge soon. What does this mean? Well, simply to go and start off and to be eligible for it, all you have to do is to go and utilize my referral link down below, join the Debridge platform, and start bridging. These rewards will be given to people that have or are transferring from Ethereum to another chain, or from another chain to Arbitrum. So the chain of destination or the chain of supply should be the Arbitrum chain no matter what. And make sure to go and do it just that. You can join to the referral link. We got 81 of us. And basically what it's going to mean is that once you go and utilize the possibility of bridging, you pay some gas fees. Well, these gas fees potentially, either they're going to get redistributed to you, to the users, to the Arbitrum users, in terms of you spend $4 in gas fees, we're going to give you $4 in Arbitrum as an incentivized program to utilize the Arbitrum protocol and the chain. Or it could potentially be that is another reward for the top users of the Arbitrum, whether it is sending from Arbitrum or receiving to Arbitrum, could be an incentivized program to utilize the chain, therefore giving assets to people that go and utilize it, which would be very cool. And in my opinion, I think that within my wallet and within the whole community that we've done this together through, we did utilize it and we did it together through times and times. Everything that we've done it also on, for example, on Patreon, where we talk about it, free members included, we do talk about the possibility of the, let's say, we always started with Arbitrum because it was the cheapest. And I've also explained in the past video, if you were looking at it and if you were subscribed already, that the Arbitrum to Optimism, if you transfer 0.01 Ethereum, you get the same amount of point of 0.1 Ethereum, and it is the cheapest way, but the highest point rewards that you can possibly get. So make sure to go and start using the Debridge protocol over here from and to Arbitrum on any token, Ethereum, USDC, whatever. Just go and utilize the Arbitrum chain. I do believe it's gonna be the best one, and make sure, if you wish, to support me over here on my video pin post. If you can simply click on it and retweet it, comment, like, bookmark. Thank you very much for your support. With that said, I will see you all in the next video, and yeah, I'll see you this afternoon. Have a great day. Ciao, ciao.